O God, bless us and all in the world with peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. Health is in our hand, that is called mudra. Today we are going to see one important mudra, Vayu Mudra. Our body is made of millions of cells. Each cells are having 5 elements, that is called Panchabhuta: fire, water, earth, akas and air. These Panchabhutas are controlled by our fingertips. So, if you practice mudras, that is touching each and every fingers, definitely we will get wonderful pranic energy in our entire parts of the organs. Mudras can be practiced in the morning, afternoon, evening, before food. You have to practice 2 to 5 minutes is enough. So, each mudras are having wonderful, powerful and capacity, that is called the importance of each mudra. Suppose if you are having stress tension, you can practice Chin Mudra, we have already seen. Today we have to see Vayu Mudra. The speciality of mudra is, this mudra is controlled by our 5 air, 10 air in our body. In Tamil language, Dasavayukal. 10 air are equally balanced state in our body. If you maintain, definitely there is no neck pain, back pain, knee pain, hip pain. In the modern world, we are all having tension, stress. So, by way of tension, stress, definitely our 10 air element will change one by one. It will not work in the same manner. So, if you practice Vayu Mudra, the benefits of this Vayu Mudra is the 10 air element in our body is a controlled, correct, equal manner in our body. By way of equal manner, there is no knee pain, hip pain, back pain and neck pain also. Very simple mudra. You have to practice this mudra daily 3 times. Those who are having knee pain, neck pain, back pain, you can practice 5 minutes. All others are able to practice 2 minutes is enough. So now we are going to see the practical session. Sit in a straight. Your backbone should be in a straight. Close your eyes gently. Watch your breathing. Very slow and deep inhale. Very slow and deep exhale for 5 times. While inhaling, think that you are receiving energetic prana in your inner parts of your organs. While exhaling, think that all tension, stress, body pain, everything is released. I am free from tension, stress, mental worries. Then watch my hands carefully. Bend your index finger like this. Bring your thumb finger and fix your thumb finger on middle of the index finger. All 3 fingers are downward manner. Give a very light pressure. This is called Vayu Mudra. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing gently for 2 to 5 minutes. Relax. One more time. Watch my finger carefully. Bend your index finger like this. Bring your thumb finger on the middle of the index finger. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing gently. 2 to 5 minutes is enough. Morning, afternoon, evening, before food. Suppose if you are taking food, 2 hour gap is enough. After 2 hours, you go to practice this mudra. 2 to 5 minutes. I request one and all important spiritual energy is in our body, but most of the people are not able to understand, able to believe our inner parts of the organs, important spiritual bodies, importance. So if you practice mudra Definitely the 5 stages, first layer Annamaya Kosa, second layer Pranamaya Kosa, third layer mind Manomaya Kosa, fourth layer Vijnanamaya Kosa, scientific body, fifth layer is a spiritual body, pranic energy, Atma. So if you practice this mudra, you will get the energy from your inner parts of the fifth layer spiritual body. So that energy will come and it will clear all problems in your all kinds of bodies. So those who are having neck pain, knee pain, back pain, hip pain, you have to practice this Vayu Mudra daily. 21 days you have to practice continuously. Definitely you will get rid of all kinds of neck pain, back pain, hip pain. So I request one and all, please practice mudra daily and be hale and healthy. Thank you very much.
பதஞ்சலி டிவியை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.